Hello and welcome everyone. In this chapter, we are going to see the advanced lab scenario here. So, as of now, we have seen that just two routers and configure the static routing or maybe any other demo on that. So now we will connect the multiple routers and we will design a topology which we will be using for our further scenario. So let's move ahead and do the same. So first of all, I'll take some of the routers here like routers and router 2 and router 3. 3 router is more than enough. I'll take switch here. So switch also, let's say switch, another switch, another switch. And then I'll take my PCs. So take PCs like this. I took the PCs as well. Okay. And I will do one more thing. I'll take a server here. I'll take a server here and connect. I'll take a server and connect here. Fine. I'll do one thing. 3 PCs connected to this, 1 PC and 1 server. We will discuss why this server and what is the use case of this later on. Now, let's do the connectivity here. So first of all, from the connectivity perspective, I'll take the automatic cable and connect this all the routers with the switches and everywhere like this. Connect. Router 2 and connect your PCs and the servers. Router 3 as well, connected here, done. So like this you need to connect. Now one more point to be focused here, that we will have to go ahead and configure connect your routers together. This is also an important point. So to connect your routers together, I'll be using the serial cable itself to connect between the routers. So let's do that. So first of all, yes, this is our scenario for the PCs. To connect between the router, we'll have to use the serial cable. So first of all, there is no serial port here. Click on this. To add the serial port, you will have to click on zoom in and scroll down WIC2T and drag and drop. This is my drag and drop one of the port. Power is on. I'll just switch off. Added here, done. And then power, switch on. Close this. I'll go to this router. Again, same thing. WIC2T and switch off the routers and connect, drag and drop, switch on. Go to this WIC2T. WIC stands for WAN interface card. Zoom in. I need to switch off and then I need to switch on. Done. This is how we have switched on. After that, connectivity. So I'll connect this router to this router to this router. Done. And after that, from here to here also I will connect here. Say this. This is what my scenario. Done. Now let's move ahead and do the configurations for the IP addresses. So first of all, to configure the IP addresses, we need to design which IP address range to use here. So say this. I'll be planning and keeping the IP addresses here from the 10 dot network. Let's say 10.0.0.0/24 I am keeping. This is a network which I am keeping here for this. And similarly for this router, I'll keep it as 20.0.0.0/24. Here I'll keep 30.0.0/24. This is the network ID in the routers. Network ID, network ID, network ID for the networks. After that, the IP addresses between this, so between routers, let's say here 11.0.0.0/24 only. Here I'll keep it, let's say 12.0.0.0/24. Here 13.0.0.0/24. So this is the networks which I am keeping here between the routers, like this, between the routers IP addresses. Fine. After that, I'll say here fast Ethernet IP address 10.0.0.100. Here 10.0.0.1, 10.0.0.2. Here 10.0.0.3. Here from the 20 dot network, so let's say 20.0.0.1, 20.0.0.2, 30.0.0.1 and 30.0.0.2. Default gateway also we need to configure, so 30.0.0.100, because I will configure the IP address here as 30.0.0.100. Here I'll configure 20.0.0.100 for fast Ethernet, and the default gateway will be 20.0.0.100. Here the default gateway will be 10.0.0.100. This is what the topology configurations. Just see very carefully. We have used the 3 routers and we have used the 3 PCs as well. Multiple PCs as well. And I have configured a particular. I have connected a particular server as well here. And this servers I will keep as, let's say, web server. I'll keep it as web server. We will see that how exactly this web servers we are going to test it out here, but yes, this is a web server and this is what the IP configurations. Apart from that, this is 11.0.0, right? So we can keep 11.0.0.1, 11.0.0.2. Here it is 12, right? 12.0.0.1, 12.0.0.2. Here it is 13, so we'll keep 12.0.0.1, 13.0.0.1 and 13.0.0.2 between this routers. So this is our lab scenario, and this also we will be using it for our static routing, and also we will use it into the dynamic routing as well. So this is what our master topology which is going to be. So that's it for this particular lecture. We have seen the connection and the IP addresses in this environment, and we will go ahead and configure the complete design in the next lecture itself. So we will do the IP configuration and we will go ahead and configure the static routing as well in this. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you. See